Hallo?
Hi.
Guten Tag? Good afternoon. Wie heißt du? What's your name? German greetings, German farewell, basic phrases. That's what we're gonna cover in this video right now. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Your German Teacher. My name is Luzi and I'm here to help you to improve your German. Today we're gonna do basic German phrases and everything in informal way, everything the informal way. Why? First of all, it's easier. In the beginning, it's way more easier to use. Secondly, it's a little bit more personal as well. And third, once you get better with your German, once you step up to the next level, it will definitely not be a problem to switch between formal and informal way. I'm also gonna link up a card on top about the way how to use formal and informal way and what are the differences. Alright, today I will teach you German greetings, farewell and basic phrases. At the end, we're gonna do a conversation together, so you can see like A is talking to B, using all those words, using all these phrases we learned, and then you can use them as well by yourself in your daily life. Begrüßung. Begrüßung is the first thing. Begrüßung is greeting. We have in the morning, sun is up. We have Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. The first thing you say is Guten Morgen. Next one is Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag is good day or good afternoon or how are you, kind of. You can say it the whole day. You can use it the whole day as long as there is daytime. During the daytime, you can say that. Next one is Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Good evening. Sun is down. And then you can use Guten Abend to greet somebody. Of course, we also have a lot of other ones, such as Hi, Hallo, Hey, or Servus. Servus is more common in Austria or in southern part of Germany. Then we have Moin. Moin. Moin is in Hamburg. They say Moin Moin, Moin Moin in the north of Germany. And we also have Grüezi. Grüezi. That's what they say in Switzerland. So if you ever go to Switzerland and you say Grüezi, they're gonna be amazed, I will tell you. Abschied. Abschied is farewell. Abschied. We have Tschüss. Tschüss. Tschüss is probably the most common one. Tschüss. Tschüss. Don't get it mixed up with the Chinese Mandarin Tschüss. Tschüss. Meaning go and die. So don't say that. It's Tschüss. Tschüss. The more official one is Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Then we have bis bald. Bis bald, or you can combine it also like Tschüss, bis bald. Tschüss, bis bald. Bis bald is until soon or see you soon. Or we have bis später. Tschüss, bis später, bis später. Bis später is see you later. So usually when you see each other on the same day again, then you can say bis später. And at the end of the day, before you go sleeping, you say Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Good night. How are you doing? In German, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? As you can see here, we have Frage. Frage. Frage is question. The question is, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Wie is how, geht is goes, it you, how does it going, how are you? Wie geht es dir, how are you? Dir is you. Antwort. Antwort is, in English, answer. Antwort. There you have 5 options. You can say either sehr gut, danke, is very good, sehr gut, danke. Or you can say gut, danke, or es geht, Es geht. Es geht is so, not that good. So lala. Or you can say nicht so gut, nicht so gut, nicht so gut, not so good. Or you have also the option to say schlecht, schlecht, schlecht. Don't say that. People won't talk to you anymore if you say that. Not very common, except of course when you're good friends, and then you can say that. So most common, wie geht es dir? Answer gut, danke. Oder sehr gut, danke. And now you want to be polite, right? So A is asking, wie geht es dir? And B is answering, gut, danke. And then you say, und dir, und dir. Good, thanks. Und dir and you. How about you? Und dir. And then A repeats, auch gut, danke. Auch gut, danke. Auch is also good, good, danke, thanks. Auch gut, danke. So most common as well here is like if somebody asks you back, you just repeat what they say. Wie geht es dir? Sehr gut, danke. Und dir? Auch sehr gut, danke. Or just auch gut, danke. Name. Name in English, name. Die Frage ist, the question is, wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Wie is how, heißt is called, du is you. How are you called? What's your name? How are you called? Wie heißt du? Antwort, ich heiße Luzi. Ich heiße Luzi. So you say, I heiße, I'm called, and then you say your name. Ich heiße Luzi. Herkunft. Herkunft. Herkunft is origin, place of origin, where you are from. Die Frage ist, woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? Wo is where, her is from, kommst von kommen, regular verb, come to come, und du is you. Woher kommst du? Where are you from? Antwort, for example, ich komme aus Deutschland, aus Berlin. Ich komme aus Deutschland, aus Berlin. I come from, and this aus is from, I come from Germany, from Berlin. Ich komme aus Deutschland, aus Berlin. Wohnort. Wohnort is place of living. You might have seen my other videos. Wohnen, and this is the regular verb as well, and wohnen heißt to live. Ort is place. Wohnort. Frage, wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? Where do you live? Where live you? Where do you live? Antwort, ich wohne in Taipei. Ich wohne in Taipei. I live in Taipei. Konversation. Conversation in English. Now I'm gonna show you a little conversation, how you can use those phrases, or as an example, using those phrases in daily life. So we have two people, A and B, and they're talking to each other. It's the first time they meet each other. A is starting and is saying, Hallo, guten Tag, wie geht es dir? Then B replies, Sehr gut, danke. Und dir? Auch gut, danke. Ich heiße Luzi. Wie heißt du? Hallo Luzi, ich heiße Klaus. Hallo Klaus, woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Deutschland, aus Bonn. Und du? Ich komme aus Italien, aus Rom. Und wo wohnst du? Ich wohne in Berlin. Und du? Ah, ich auch. Okay, bis später. Tschüss. Tschüss, Klaus. That's a example how you can use those words. So you see, when you start talking to each other, first thing usually you say is like, wie geht es dir? Then you say your name, ask for his or her name, and where you're from, where you live. Bye-bye. That's it. Very easy conversation and definitely common used. Question of the day. Wie geht es dir? Most important and one of the easiest questions. Wie geht es dir? How are you doing? Tell me, let me know how you are doing today. Write it down in the comment. You have 5 options. Remember, you have 5. What's that? 5 options. 5 options. You can say sehr gut, danke, gut, danke, es geht, nicht so gut, schlecht. You can also say this one. Alright, don't forget to write it down. That's it for today. I hope you learned something today. If you did so, don't forget to subscribe below or there. And I hope to see you soon in my next videos. Until then, I wish you a pleasant morning, evening, afternoon, whatever you have. See you soon. Auf Wiedersehen. Bis bald. Tschüss. Bye bye.